I'm seated in one of the privacy seats at the Delta Sky Club in the C Terminal at LaGuardia Airport. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I chronicled the departing experience from LaGuardia's C Terminal during construction, and in this video, I'm going to take you into the Delta Sky Club here at the C Terminal during the ongoing pandemic. Now, this Sky Club is not going to be around for much longer as a new one is being built along with the terminal construction, and offerings are limited due to the pandemic, but it's what's available today. There's another Sky Club in the D Terminal which is similar to this one. The Sky Club has large windows with views of the ramp, taxiways, and runway 1331, and seating in the Sky Club is ample and well designed for individual travelers or groups. Again, I'm visiting during a pandemic, so many safety measures are in place. All of the food items are individually wrapped to reduce human touchpoints. Gone are the buffets where everyone would handle shared serving utensils. Everything is much more compact now, but there's absolutely enough food to account for a proper meal. Guests can prepare their own drinks or order a drink at the bar. The service staff made sure that all items were available at all times. And around the corner was a constant supply of lemon water and iced tea. Before dining, I made it a point to visit the well-appointed restroom so that I could wash my hands. It's very important to wash your hands often during a pandemic, and that's exactly what I did before I touched any of the food. At each of the sinks, hand lotion is also available in addition to the soap. I decided to go for some of the simpler options to start off with, and then I had a sandwich later. Everything tasted great and was very fresh. No complaints here. If you want to have a drink, instead of handling a paper drink menu to see the options, you can view the menu on your phone by safely scanning the barcode. Minimal PA announcements contribute to the relaxed atmosphere of this lounge. The Sky Club used to consist of two separate lounges, however, the smaller of the two is now closed. With traffic loads very light these days, the added space of a second lounge is really not needed. Signs reminding you to keep your masks on, as well as signs asking you to skip a seat, were found throughout the entire lounge. But there weren't even enough guests to keep every other seat occupied. Social distancing was very easy here. You could pick a seat wherever you want, and signage constantly reinforces safety protocols. Delta truly does want you to stay safe and sanitized, and it's very easy to locate hand sanitizer in the Sky Club. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Sky Club here in the C Terminal at LaGuardia Airport. Safety is highly enforced. Even when I entered, the agent at the front desk asked me to keep my mask on at all times, even between bites. The food selection is ample, and the view is actually pretty good also. It was a rainy day at LaGuardia, but it's always nice when a lounge overlooks an airfield, and I got to see the new construction at the C Terminal from this vantage point. This Sky Club includes a sanitization station and a printer for your business needs. The Sky Club is geared for both the business traveler and the leisure traveler. While it's not going to be here for much longer, the Sky Club in the C Terminal here at LaGuardia Airport is a great place to relax before your flight. If you want to be able to enjoy the benefits of any Delta Sky Club in the United States, you'll either have to be a Delta Diamond Medallion member or be flying in a Delta One cabin, flying international as a SkyTeam Plus Elite member, or meeting certain criteria on Virgin Australia or WestJet for international flights. Or you need to have an appropriate credit card. I was able to gain access to the Delta Sky Club today because I'm a Diamond Medallion member. I actually have an executive membership to the Sky Club, which allows me to bring in 2 guests for free. However, during this trip, I was flying solo. All right, overall, great experience at the Delta Sky Club. Now it's time to head on to my flight. Thank you for watching this video. As I return to the skies, I'll be bringing you more new and exciting content, so please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're alerted to my latest videos when they come up. Until then, I'll see you in the Sky Club.